What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. You guys seen a video yesterday where we copped our CVO and got that thing cleaned up, checked it out a little bit, but we didn't do too much. We didn't get to see how that thing sounds, man. Yes, see what that thing sounds, man. I can't wait. Today is the day that we start that thing up, probably get a first ride, don't know yet, but we also got to ship out our Road Glide, man. So if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it. You guys see the Road Glide isn't back here, so it's already gone in this video, man. It could be headed to your house next. Yes, we are giving away our 2017 Road Glide special here in Black Widow, black and red. Yes, all you got to do is head over to everythingsregular.com, copy a white and black Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. We are just about halfway sold out, man, so get your entry while you can. I can't wait. Let's get this show on the road, dog. Now that we got that moved out the way, our transporter should be here in a second to pick up our 2020 Road Glide special right here. We're just headed to Floresville, Texas. We should be out there in the next couple days. So we already gave away both of these bikes, man. If you guys missed out on these, man, all you got to do is head over to everythingsregular.com, copy a white and black Everything's Regular hat, and you'll be entered to win this Road Glide right here. But today's topic, 2020, man. Let's get this thing pulled out and ready to go. So here we have it. We got our shipper pulling up. About to get the bike on the back of this joint. Now, I've never had the bike on something like this before, so this is going to be a little bit different. It was fun, Mr. 20 Twin. It was really fun. You look really nice in the gray and the purple, man. I know you're going to have a blast down there in Texas. Hoorah and yippee-ki-yay and all that, man. So, can't wait. Can't wait, man. Let's get this thing loaded up, though. Alrighty, guys. So, this is going to be a task, man. Never loaded up on one of these type of trucks before. This thing is gonna be a task, but I got faith, man. Let's try it out. To the wall and let it go. Right on. Yeah, that was a scary one for sure. That was the scariest one I've ever did, but you made it look easy. You did good, man. That was awesome. No, man, you were the genius, dog. I'm telling you, all it was take was a little bit of hope.
I've done a handful of dirt bikes, right? You know, and I mean this is it's a 2x12. I mean, it's a heavy piece of wood, you know.
Right. Yeah.
This is a little heavier, but.
And just like that, guys, we got this thing strapped up, loaded up, ready to hit the freaking cowboy state. I need to go get me some cowboy boots now, man. Oh, see, my boy already ready. He got the cowboy boots, man. I need to go get me some of them. Yes, sir, man. The Road Glide is loaded up, headed to Texas. I can't wait. Now, we're going, like, literally to the middle of probably nowhere, man. It's called Pflugerville. Never even heard of it before. But we gonna get it going, man. I can't wait. Alrighty. The bike is headed out of here. It is out, man. That is dope. Now we can focus back on our street glide, and it is a little bit later in the day, so we can fire this thing up hopefully. But kind of want to I guess I already cleaned it up enough. Kind of wanted to get it a little bit more clean, throw it up on the jack stand, get that back wheel clean. I think that's what I'm gonna do, man. I gotta do that. Just like that, y'all, we got that thing cleaned up, looking real good and snazzy. Now y'all can see a little bit closer. Just got like little rock chips and stuff. You know, this like a highway bike. You're supposed to ride these things, man, but all in all, look good. I feel like our handlebars need to go a little bit forward, just a little bit. They look a little too far back, but I don't know, they might be just right. Cleaned it all up, got it looking good. Probably can use some pig spit to get that thing ultra shined up. But all in all, it's looking really good, y'all. I can't wait. I'm about to throw the bags back on here, and we're gonna try to fire this thing up and get a first start. Alrighty, guys, now that we got this thing cleaned up, looking good, rims is shining, we got this battery to the alternator. Let's see if we can get up. We got to put some gas in it. I forgot it's low range, so let's get some gas in it real quick. Totally forgot. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got.
Probably people that say goodbye to their families.
Let's see. Oh, battery is totally shot. Battery is too shot, y'all. Dang, that's tough.
Thanks.
Let's see if we can get it on the battery and get a better connection. We got this far, and now we gotta go get a battery, man. I was already at AutoZone this morning. They wasn't open for 20 minutes, so now I gotta freaking hold up the show and go get a battery, man. Dang. Alrighty, the sun is finally poking out, y'all. The sun is finally poking out. We already went to go get our battery. We already threw it in. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got, y'all. All she needed was a battery. Oh my God, y'all. Now y'all know I'm about to go up. Y'all hear this pipe out here, man? Hold up. Ooh-wee. Oh my God. This thing sounds amazing. Amazing. Like, I already know when I tilt that throttle back, that thing is gonna sound freaking beast. Y'all just hear it on the purr. Oh my God. With the Cadillac lights in the back, man. Oh man. Let's see. Woo! Oh my God. Yes, sir. This thing sound crazy. It's heck. Yeah, that thing sound nuts, y'all. Yeah, that thing sound nice, man. 2015 Harley Davidson CVO from Copart, Arkansas. Well, from Fayetteville, Arkansas. Copart, clean title, lovely bike, man. I am loving it. The sound on this sounds crazy as heck. No damage to the bike, man. I am digging it, man. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. I'm about to freaking take this thing around the block with y'all, but I know y'all gonna be waiting for a first ride, man. So stay tuned, and now we gonna get it going. I ain't gonna even hold y'all, man. That's gonna be a first ride y'all gonna love. Cause this thing feels a freaking amazing when you pop that clutch and get on that gas, man. Feels good, sounds good, looks even better. CVO with the oohs and the eyes on that bad boy. Now I can throw some detail spray on it, get it like a lot more cleaner than what it is. But we did knock the freaking dust off of it. It is looking real good now. Got our speakers and everything working. Probably need some little bit more air in the back tire and in the front, but all in all, really nice bike. Runs really good. From what I rode, it does ride pretty nice. So I don't know, man, what y'all think? Let your boy know in the comments below. Stay tuned for the first ride, man. I'm digging it. But we about to get this thing pulled back in the garage, get that red thing scooted over. And because we're pretty much done working on that one. So this is the next one we're going to be into, man. Going to get a first ride on this thing here today, probably later on. But for now, it's going to be a wrap, man. And just like that, guys, we got this thing back in here, looking really good, all cleaned up. Now later on, we can probably go over it with like some detail spray and just like, you know, get it clean. But we did get the chance to knock the dirt off there, start this thing up, and hear it proud as well. I did take it a ride around the block, and I can't wait for this first ride. So stay tuned for that. Gonna get it going, man. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2017 Road Glide Black Widow, all you got to do is head over to everythingsregular.com right now, copy a white and black Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Our 2020 Road Glide that was right here is out of here on its way to Texas, so we should be out there in a couple days or so. This bike is already given away. It is heading to Gary, Indiana, and this one should be out of here within the next week after we come back from Texas. So can't wait. If you guys haven't already, enter for a chance to win Black Widow. If you guys haven't subscribed, man, please subscribe. We almost have 50K subscribers. Really nice bike from Copart. This is probably the best one we got so far, so let me know if y'all agree. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate you guys tuning in, man. You guys seen we got our 2015 CVO in the mail yesterday. Last night it took forever for some sun to come up today, but we was right here bright and early when it did, man. We went and got a battery for this thing, cleaned it up, looking all sauced up now. Got that thing started, fired up. Oh my God, this bike sounds crazy, man. That 2-in-1 pipe just sounds amazing. I don't know if it's a D&D or if it's like a Bassani or what, because it kind of has that raspy tone like my dad's bike got, and he's got the Bassani. So I don't know, we'll see which one we like. I don't know, we'll see which one is louder between the Black Widow and our CVO. What do you guys think so far, man? Let your boy know in the comments below. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2017 Road Glide Black Widow, all you got to do is head over to everythingsregular.com, copy a white and black Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. We are just about halfway sold out on those, so man, get your entry while you can. Meanwhile, I'm gonna have to catch you guys on the next one, dog. Get ready for this first ride. I'll hit you guys in a second, dog. Peace.